Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since my last tech video, but today I'm starting the new season. I have lots of new gadgets and tech items to test out. Today we're talking about a very high-end pair of earbuds that promises high performance even though the price is extremely low, and it can easily compare with very high-end brands. Let's roll the intro and let's get into it. As mentioned in the intro, today I'm going to talk about the Tozo NC20 earbuds, featuring high-res, advanced ANC, 80 hours of battery life and smart technology. That's a combo that is incredibly hard to find on this price bracket. In this video, I'll be diving into the technical details to see how they sound, what makes them special, and whatever they're actually worth the money. Are they actually worth the money? Let's get into it. Something worth mentioning is, as you can see here on the box, it says high-res audio and LDAC branding. These NC20s don't sound like your typical budget earbud. Inside each earbud, there's a 12mm dynamic drivers with SDLC, Super Diamond Light Carbon technology, which improves rigidity and frequency response. This results in a deeper, more detailed audio and wide frequency range from 12 Hz to 40 kHz. You get punchy bass, natural mids, and really brilliant highs. Plus, through a dedicated app that I will show you in a second, you can customize the EQ and even enable spatial audio to expand the soundstage to your liking. Something that I really loved with these earbuds is that I brought them to China on my last trip. I was there for a week on holiday, and when you're in an airplane, you constantly hear this buzz noise. And what I loved was the noise cancellation on this. I'm not a lover of in-ear iPhone with the rubber at the end, but I must say that noise cancellation on this, by just tapping one, together paired with my Ray Neo Air 4 Pro that I bought in China, by the way, review coming soon about that as well. I mean, I could have perfect audio because using the Bang & Olufsen like earphones from the Ray Neo was not enough. I mean, the noise on the airplane was really loud. So I connected my phone via Bluetooth to the Tozo NC20, and I had this crisp, beautiful audio with noise cancellation. I actually forgot I was on an airplane, and paired with this 120-inch monitor watching a movie on the airplane was probably one of the most immersive experiences of my life. Even though I was on a plane, I actually forgot for a couple of hours that I was on a plane. And I actually loved that. Of course, people will ask, are they sounding better than Sony or Bose? No, I mean, we're not at that level. But for this price range, I mean, if somebody doesn't want to spend a fortune on a pair of earbuds, this is probably their best solution at the moment. I mean, I have a pair of Soundpeats that were given to me for Christmas. I've been using them, but I find myself every time getting back to the Tozo NC20. And yeah, it was for a reviewing purpose, but sometimes it happens that I postpone a review because I'm liking the product too much, and I'm actually in need of finding a moment to actually put together a review. And I have a lot of experience with these pair of earbuds, and they really meet what I'm looking for from an earbud in 2026. Another thing incredibly handy for your work environment is that these earbuds can be connected to your computer and to your phone at the same time, seamlessly. So you can pass from watching a video on your phone to answering a Teams call on your computer. And that's something you don't find often on a pair of earbuds on this price range. Plus, if you add the fact that these earbuds have 80 hours of autonomy on one single charge of the battery, I mean, these little thing here can give you 80 hours of total listening, and you can get about 16.5 hours on a single charge. That's a lot. And consider you can charge this on a base wirelessly. But I'm not finished. How many things do these earbuds have? I mean, another thing worth mentioning, I got some notes here, is the fact that I use these earbuds in China. I had one in my ear, I had the phone up, and people were talking to me in Chinese, and I was listening to the translation right in my ear. They were talking Chinese, mic from the earbud was picking up what the person was telling me, and I had direct translation on my phone in writing in English and translation in English in my ear.
欢迎，我叫 Sandro， 目前正在测试这款 Tozo NC20 耳机，想弄明白它们是否真的能翻译成中文我说的话。
I mean, it worked with Chinese and it has so many other languages, you just have to set it in the app. Another app that's like blowing my mind, because from that app you can do so many different things. Something you can check out on the app is the battery monitoring. I mean, you can check the levels for each bud and the case, and you can also see it over here. You see the total of the battery and each earbud, because I fall asleep listening to a podcast and I usually use only one because I want to have the other ear free to hear my kids if they're waking up or something. And so I'm often using just one of the two, but putting them back together in the case, it will equalize the battery so that they're always balanced. On the equalizer library, there's 32 presets modes, rock, hip hop, etc. Or you create your own custom profile. You can even upload your setting or download profiles from other users. Another crazy feature is Find My Buds. If you lost them in the house, or if it happens to me that I lose them under the blankets because I fall asleep with them, from the app you can trigger a very strong sound in order for you to find them. And that's crazy. I mean, I had never seen something like that on a pair of earbuds, considering the price range. I'm not finished because I'm sure I forgot something. For example, in-ear detection. Bluetooth 5.4, so the latest version. And I saw that lately there was an update on the firmware. So the company is continuously feeding up firmware updates. And when I see a company feeding firmware updates so often, it means that they're committed to their product. It's not that they just came out with a product, left it there, and who cares? I mean, use it until it dies. So that's something I really appreciate on a company. So unboxing experience was pretty straightforward. They come in this box, as you can see, and they also feed you with a lot of different sizes rubber. I mean, it fit perfectly for me, the one that were mounted, as you can see. And I just heard tlutlum, it just connected because it's paired to my iPhone. If I switch on my Mac, I will hear another sound. That means it's connected to both, as I told you before. So getting back to the unboxing was straightforward. Comes with, you have the earbuds, you have some rubber, you have a USB-C cable. You can charge it with a normal adapter, or as I love charging it, you can charge it on the wireless base. I'm using the iPhone charging base. It works perfectly. I just put it there and it charges. So if you pack all these features and put it in one single earbud, how much do you think the value of these earbuds are? I mean, I got this unit for free. Okay, perfect. But when I usually get stuff for free, something that I'm really clear about with the producer or whoever sends it to me is that the fact that you're sending me this for free doesn't mean that I'm gonna talk good about it. I mean, and the fact that I kept it so long, they sent me this more than a month ago, and I've been using it. And they became my go-to earbuds at the moment, and I think that very hardly I will change them. That said, would I suggest them? Yeah, I would definitely suggest them. For the price being, all the links to buy them, by the way, will be down in the description for your reference. I mean, yeah, I would definitely go for them. I mean, if you're a fan of in-ear and noise cancellation and all the tech that can be involved in a pair of earbuds, you definitely should check them out. Again, all the links will be down in the description for your reference. Smash the like button if you did like this video. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Tech gadget coming soon. I have a lot of them.